a mirror adorns the interior of a living room. At the same time, it can have a wide variety of shapes and designs, and various materials are used for finishing the frame. In this video, we will look at beautiful and original models of mirrors, as well as share interesting ideas on how you can transform a living room with a mirror. In a laconic interior, a round mirror looks very beautiful on the wall. They can decorate absolutely any area in the living room. In our example, the mirror is hanging over the sofa, but it is also great for accentuating a side table or chest of drawers. An empty wall decorated with a mirror immediately looks much more interesting. The large wall mirror is perfect not only for modern decor, but also for vintage style and shabby chic interiors. An additional highlight is the large wooden frame, which creates a cozy atmosphere in the living room. A large mirror also serves a practical purpose. It visually enlarges a small space by almost 2 times. These mirror models are remarkable not only for its laconic and stylish design. This option will be in perfect harmony with semi-antique decor items that are used in various interior styles. The metal frame of the mirror matches perfectly with the metal furniture. Undoubtedly, these models of the mirror will create a stylish accent in the interior of the living room. A mirror and fireplace are another win-win combination of decor items in the living room. Often the wall above the fireplace is empty, so an interesting solution would be to place a mirror there. It doesn't matter if you hang it on the wall or simply place it on the mantel. In any case, this idea will liven up the room. You don't have to spend a lot of money to get a beautiful mirror. The photo shows how to make an original mirror in the living room from an ordinary old window. For these purposes, it is enough to purchase an inexpensive mirror, and then cut it to the desired size and shape and glue it to the back of the window frame. All ingenious is simple. A large mirror in the living room always looks stylish and elegant, whether it is with or without a frame. The mirror in this session is decorated with a very wide wooden frame and is leaning against the wall next to a cozy armchair. Thus, the floor mirror in the living room helps to visually zone the space. A wide white frame gives your mirror a modern look. Black contrasts well with a neutral living room decor. Bright colors like green and yellow have a warm mid-century feel, while softer colors like silver and gray give your mirror a modern style. We often come across ideas on how to create a collage of photographs or paintings to decorate the interior, so why not do the same with the mirrors in the living room? The rounded corners of the mirrors remind us of the retro style again. Also pay attention to the different shades of glass that create certain color accents on the wall. How do you like this idea from the Bontempi Casa factory? An eidos mirror, which, as it were, is not quite a mirror. This kind of model is made of two glass sections that can be used as shelves. Place such a mirror structure over the sofa. What is not an ideal decoration for the interior of the living room?